I'd spend the day with them hanging out, just shooting the breeze, not playing with toys or anything like that, just hanging out, having crisps and drinking soft drinks and seeing what's going on and doing all the things you shouldn't be doing when you're a kid but actually are the most fun. And I'm getting a measure of them. You can see the giddy one, you can see the relatively shy one, you can see the bookish one, and so they're all characters like in a band, and then then kind of by the time we hit the airwaves and we're live and it's toy shows up and running, you can see them coming a little bit, but you have no idea what's going to come out of their mouths. You really just don't rehearse conversations or questions, and that's what's the buzz, because the lights, the brakes in the car are cut, and you're heading down a hill and you're off, and anything could happen, which I love. I love that. I love when a green shitty nappy comes out of a doll and you throw it into the audience, and the audience are doing this, and then the kids are looking at a fairy going up into the lights, and then the lights starts, the wing gets caught in a thing and it starts flapping, and the fairy looks like she's in distress. The more chaos the better, because that's fun. The rehearsed stuff is a bit boring, but the stuff that you can't control is where we really start getting into the fun zone.